Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike DAYBREAK-TYPE SE. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. And drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Now, we are looking at the Nike DAYBREAK-TYPE SE, and we got this in the stadium green white colorway. And the sizing that we've got this in is a UK 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. And here it is in all its retro glory. Very vibrant, very colorful. First impressions. So these sneakers, they're not mine, they're for Jeff. So you're gonna see his fine legs in action on feet. So let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. It incorporates Nike's famous, well, it's what they're known for, the waffle outsole, and you can see it all here in that patterning, and it elongates onto the tip of the toes there and extends a bit on the heel. Moving along onto the midsole. So this midsole unit is a Phylon midsole. It's there for your cushioning and support. Really great to see. Now, what sticks out for this sneaker, what makes this very different to the original Daybreak, which this sneaker is obviously the next generation of, it is from Nike's N354 labs. So that's where Nike do all their innovation. We have done reviews of the Type Court, so check that out. We have done other reviews in the Type R. So yeah, check our reviews out if you ever get the chance to, or if you want to. So what the difference is basically the materials incorporated and a lot of the branding. So as I mentioned, Nike are trying to be more sustainable, so they are using a lot of leathers. So the whole upper of the sneaker is a ripstop, and it's all synthetic, as I mentioned before. So if you look at the toe box here, you can see it. The whole stadium green is in this ripstop material. You've got more synthetics on the mud guards where it is grey. Where it is yellow on the medial and the lateral side, it's pressed plastics here. You've got the stitching as well found there. And if you look at the Nike swooshes, that's both on the medial and the lateral side, they're heat pressed. Nice there. Moving along onto the heel, so you've got the N354 branding and the synthetic leather. And I totally forgot to mention about this big heel clip that it feels like it's, I mean, obviously it's synthetic leathers, but it does kind of feel like a nubuck, a very smooth nubuck here. It's very soft, very nice touch. Got your classic lacing system, and the tongue that's underneath is a foam tongue, and you've got the OG kind of style where you've got exposed foam. And the insole's got the Nike swoosh on the right, and you got the N354 logo as well. And it's all textile materials. The lining is all textile too. And it's pretty lightweight. That's what you want in your casual sneaker. Obviously, this is based on the original Daybreak sneaker, where that is an original runner on the tracks, and it's an OG 70s look type feel. And that's what we're seeing nowadays in a lot of the sneakers. So we are seeing a lot of that retro 70s vibes. You've got it in the Cortez, one of my favorite sneakers. New Balance have incorporated it in a lot of their casual sneakers. And it's great to see that the OGs and Nike, they're bringing it forward for the masses again with this new kind of take on it. So let's roll on to that footage of Jeff trying these type sneakers on.
When it comes to the size, guys, I recommend you get your true to size Nike fit. Mine is a 7.5, so that is the size I'm wearing. My toes are just there, a tiny bit of space like a fingertip, but that's how I like them. When it comes to the comfort, I would compare these to the New Balance 327s, which we've done a review on. Overall, the material, the upper material feels a bit flimsy, and one issue I find is that they crease easily. So as I was trying these on, these do crease, but if you're not too concerned or perfectionist, then these are all right. Guys, I think this is a great steal. I mean, these were £90 and now I got these for £45 at size. So these were 50% discount, so I love the color. And for the price point, it's a great summer steal. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.